morning, Group 52. Imagine you see someone you care about making the same mistakes that you've made before. What's the message? What's the perfect advice you could give to them? Far too often, we want to open the Bible and find that perfect message Peter preached or something Paul said, because this is what they need to hear. But in 2 Corinthians chapter 3, the Word of God tells us your life is a written epistle. You see, sometimes what people need to hear from you isn't what God did for Paul, but what God did in your life and what he brought you through. One of the most distasteful things is to see 3 or 4 generations of families suffering from the same thing: incarceration, drug addiction, children out of wedlock, 3 or 4 generations, when simply, if someone would share their story, if they would freely speak about their testimony of what God did for them, how they were saved, what they learned, that alone is a testimony that will preserve generations to come. Don't take for granted that your life may possibly be one of the greatest books of the Bible that anyone ever encounters. So remember, Group 52, we overcome by the blood of the Lamb and the word of our testimony. God bless you and have the best week of your life.